Hello, my name is Dr. Peggy Hosford, and I work at the Providence Panorama Clinic in Lacey as a primary care physician, and I would be happy to take any questions.
What do you like your patients to call you?
I like them to call me Dr. Hosford. I came from a background, my mother was from the South, and she was very formal, and she always taught us to call people by their proper name, and I just feel more comfortable with that.
Where did you get your medical training?
I went to Stanford University Medical School in California, as I did undergraduate there too.
Why did you decide to become a primary care doctor?
Well, as I was going through medical school, I realized that I really enjoyed taking care of patients of all ages and taking care of all their problems. I have a holistic orientation in my philosophy of care, and doing primary care just fit with that.
What's the one thing you tell people to get them to improve their health?
I think one of the most important things is to decrease the amount of refined sugar and refined carbohydrates in the diet. And just generally any processed food that has a lot of ingredients you don't recognize the names of, that's probably not a good thing to eat.
What's the best thing about your job?
The best part about my job is relating to the patients. I just really enjoy the interaction that happens when you sit down and listen to a patient and hear their story and then try to help them.
If you weren't a doctor, what would you be doing?
You know, I think I would still be in the healing arts, and I think I would be a more of a holistic healer with a spiritual bent.
Tell me one thing on your bucket list.
One thing on my bucket list. Well, I just went to Europe and did a bicycle trip through Italy, and I guess I would say I would love to do another bicycle trip to Europe because it was really fun.
What are the advantages of having a physician that's part of the Providence system?
Well, I think one of the big advantages is that Providence is becoming more and more a large integrated organization so that we can take care of most all of the patient's problems within the Providence system. And now that we have a unified computer system with Epic, all of the patient's records and anything that the patient has had done is right at our fingertips. Thank you for listening. If you have any further questions, feel free to call the clinic, and we would be glad to schedule an appointment for you as well.